Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make mashed potato with beef with the perfect gravy. First step, I put the potato in the fire with 1 spoon of salt and little oil and I leave it for 45 minutes. Second step, I start to fry the onion in the high heat till I get gold brown color. In this step, I move the onion like this. I put the beef. I mix it in the high heat for 2 minutes. After I mix it with the onion and I leave it in the fire for 1 minute. In this step, I put 1 big spoon of flour. I mix it for 20 seconds and I put 1 cup of beef stock with 1 cup of water. I mix it well in the medium fire and I leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, 1 small spoon of garlic powder with 1 small spoon of oyster sauce and 1 small spoon of soy sauce and 1 small spoon of black pepper, and I mix it well and I leave it in the fire for 2 minutes. Like this, the beef will be ready. In last step, I mix the potato and I put 1 big spoon of butter with 1 small spoon of black pepper and small spoon of salt. I mix it well, and for the end I put the milk. I mix it for 1 minute. Like this, our food ready for served. Hope everybody like it, our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.